Good morning, student.
Good morning.
Do you remember in the last lesson when we talk about music alphabet?
Yes.
Who can tell us what is the musical alphabet? Peria? Very good. And who is again? Yalda?
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Very good. Can you say it all together?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do.
Very good. Super. And in this lesson, أورو لا درسي أم رومان باسی چەند ئامێرێکی میوزیک دەکەین پێتانیان ئاشنا دەکەین. ئامێرەکانی مۆسیقا زۆرن. هەر کلتورێک، هەر وڵاتێک بەناوبانگە بە جۆرێک ریتمی موزیک. فاست، سلۆو، زۆرن جۆرەکانی مۆسیقا. ئامێرەکانی موزیک زۆرن. بەڵام ئێمە بۆ ئەمڕۆ we will talk about most famous musical instrument. ئێستاکە ئێمە لەم ئامێرانەدا who know this instrument? What is this? What we call? What? Guitar. Very good. This is guitar. And this one who know? This is clarinet. Say clarinet all together. Famous in Kurdistan and in our culture. In a lot of celebration we use it. And in our melodies we use it. This is deaf. Deaf. Say deaf. Very good. We have drum set. Drum set. Very good. Violin. Clarinet. Drum set. Guitar. Deaf. Very good. Claps for yourself.